Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. If this is the first time seeing me, my name is Steph and I do everything beauty and makeup related, and I will also be doing Halloween videos, Halloween looks throughout October because I absolutely love Halloween. Today's video, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be, this has just fell over, you'll see that at the end of the at the end of the video. I'm going to be reviewing the NIKKITUTORIALS and Beauty Bay palette. I know this has been out for a little while, but I've just managed to get my hands on it recently, and yeah, I've had it for a little while now, but I sat down to play with it a couple of days ago and it just wasn't quite going right, so I sat down again and I've come up with this look, which I do really like the look. So if you want to see my thoughts and opinions on this, then make sure that you keep on watching. Also, if you're not already and you do like these videos and you want to see more, then make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click the bell notification so that you are notified every time I upload. And without further ado, let's get on into the video. Right, so I'm starting off with the NYX Eyeshadow Base in white. I'm just going to use, very gently dab into it because I did this on my, yeah, see, I put too much. I can already feel there's too much still on there. I put way too much on the other eye and I think I've done it again for this eye, but never mind. Never mind. It's better to have too much than too little, I suppose. I'm just going to take my finger and just kind of try and blend that out a little bit. There's just a little bit too much on there. I do like this base. I have used a couple of other palettes where it's not mixed very well with it, but generally, especially with the brighter colours, I do find it works a little better. So I'm mainly stuck with the dark side, and I'm going to start with the blue down here, which is Amsterdam, I hope. And I'm just using a little brush. I'm kind of using the last brushes that I have left. I really need to order some more, but I am going to be making an order on Beauty Bay next week, next Monday or Tuesday hopefully, of a lot of different products, so I'm going to put some brushes in there as well. So I'm just going to put that on the outer corner here and just build that up a little bit. I do find obviously having the white base helps with this colour and the vibrancy of it. I then went in with, there's a lot of kickback in this palette, but I mean that doesn't particularly bother me, but it is a bit messy. This slasher up here. I know that Nikki has come out with a video on all of, a while ago obviously, on all the like reason behind the names sort of thing, but I can't quite remember why they're all called what they are. But I do like it when they put names behind them and the names have a meaning behind them. So yeah, I'm just blending that one just across the top here. This is looking really messy at the moment, but don't worry about it. Don't worry, baby, don't worry about a thing. Just made a mess, haven't I, with my fingers because it's just all over my hands from the other eye. This is why I do my foundation and stuff last, because I make a blooming mess. I'm then going in with colour Ew here. This is a really nice, well, it's a really nice bright green in the pan. And it's not coming across too bad. To just go on the other eye and just make that a bit bit more, what do you call it, a bit brighter. It's not coming across too bad on camera, but honestly in real life I have found personally, I think it's a lot duller, even in the corner there where there's no other shadow, a lot duller in real life than it is in the pan. I also think this palette is a lot brighter, like a couple of people have said, in real life than it is on photographs, but I just expected more of a pop from it, if you know what I mean. I'm also finding, as I'm trying to blend the colours in together, I'm kind of losing them a bit and having to go over and back over and over and back over because I'm losing the colour. The other one's kind of taken over rather than blending into each other. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. So I'm going to go in with Blend and Snap, this colour here. I think this is the only one that I use from the more brighter side. And I'm just taking that colour just along the top here. I mean, they are really nice colours and I do really like them. I just feel a little bit like Beauty Bay has done, so now I'm going to go back in with the colour Slasher because I feel like I'm losing that a little bit, and the blue, so I'm going to go back in with the blue as well. Yeah, I feel like they've done more pigmented palettes that work a little better and a little easier to work with. I think that's a good way of putting it as well, is easier to work. I'm trying not to look away from you. I hope you can, I hope when I go back to edit this you can actually see what I'm doing and now I'm not just looking off into the distance. Yeah. Look, bye. Easier to work with. Okay, so I'm now going to go in with a flat brush and I'm going to create my cut crease with the NYX Base again. I'm just looking straight ahead. So I'm intrigued to know if anybody else has this palette, what their thoughts are on this palette. I have seen quite a lot of mixed reviews on it. People really liking it, people not so much. I think personally I probably expected a little bit more from it, but I'm not really mad at it or anything like that. I do like the colours in it. I like the look that I've come up with. I think that's really nice. I just feel like the pigment's just not quite as there as I expected it to be. And the ease of blending, it kind of, they just seem to want to, I mean, I have used this, I have played with this before, and I have another look on my Instagram if you want to go and follow me on there. And I used a much gentler hand, to be fair, and took my time a lot more with it. And it wasn't too bad, and it turned out quite nice. Like I said, I just feel like I don't want to keep repeating myself. You know what I feel like. I feel like I'm repeating myself now and making a mess all over my hands. I'm just going to wipe this brush off. So using that same brush I used to make the cut crease with, I'm just going to spray it with some fixing spray, as I do find that helps the glitters to stick and work better. That's with pretty much all palettes, if I'm perfectly honest. And I'm going to go in with the NIKKITUTORIALS colour down here, this beautiful blue metallic colour here. The metallics in here are absolutely stunning. They are very, very soft, especially this one up here. Like that one, just like it's so soft, so you have to be quite gentle with them. And it does say on the little, like the little slip that comes with it, to use your fingers, I think, for most of them. Personally, I don't like using my fingers. I like to use a brush. I just find it easier to use a brush. But if you just sort of pop it on and then use this kind of patting motion, then it does work rather well. And this is just really, really beautiful. It's an absolutely stunning shade. I love this colour. Oh, I just think it's really, really pretty. Look at that. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. Just think it looks really, really nice. So I'm now going to go back in with the blue and blend that in to the shimmer shade, or metallic shade, or whatever you want to call it. Like that. And then back in with that slasher purple shade. Just very gently blend that at the top as well, just so it all kind of blends in a little bit better. Like so. And then to finish it off, I just took, just looking at my other eye, see, that's gone kind of like a dirty colour rather than the purple. Whereas on, can you see on this side to this side? I think it's because I've got more of the green blended over the purple, whereas the other side I've got more of the purple blended over the green. That makes sense. Look at that. It's a bit better. Yeah, so to finish off, I just went in with Ivy. I think it's Ivy. Up here. Again, like I said, it's so soft. Kind of hard to pick up. And just pop that on the inner corner, just to brighten that inner corner up. Oh, so pretty. So, so nice. Right. Now both eyes are done, I'm just going to very quickly pop off camera and do the rest of my makeup, as I just wanted this one more to be about the eyes more than anything else. And I will be back with you in a moment. Whoops. So this is the finished look. Overall, I do really like the look that I came out with. I do think it has a really good choice of colours in that sense. You know, you've got your nice bright side and your dark side. I like that about it. I really love the packaging. The packaging is probably one of my favourite things about this palette. I absolutely love it. And I love how they have the two mirrors as well on each side, and one of them is more magnified than the other. I think that is really good about it. I also think, you know, if you are a fan of Nikki, which personally I am, she's absolutely amazing and just fantastic with all the stuff that she does. You know, this isn't a bad palette to get. I did find, the only thing that I found, you know, as somebody who enjoys makeup, enjoys palettes, loves collecting palettes, especially this one, as it's by Nikki as well, that's kind of what drew me to it. And Beauty Bay do have some really good palettes as well. I do think it can be a little difficult to work with some of the matte colours. I feel like it just didn't blend as well as I'd hoped that they would. That's the only thing I will say about it. The shimmers are amazing and look absolutely stunning. I really love those. Oh, just so you know, I just went under with this red mica. I really hope I'm saying that right. I do apologise if I'm not. Just underneath the eyes there. And yeah, will I be reaching for this again? Yes, I definitely will. More so for the shimmer shades in it, I think, more than anything else. I'm definitely going to try a few more different looks with it as well. Do I think it's worth £25? Whoops. Drop my mic then. Sorry if the sound went a bit funny. Do I think it's worth £25? Maybe, maybe not. I think personally there are better, easier palettes to work with than this on Beauty Bay for a cheaper price. But like I said, if you like Nikki and are collective makeup and stuff, I would definitely I definitely go and pick it up. Yes, I do like it. I do like the colours in it, and I love the shimmers. The shimmers are stunning. So that is my opinion. I hope you enjoy. Oh! Everything's just fell over and all over the flipping floor. Never mind. Never mind. I'm just going to ignore that for a moment. I'll tidy that up in a second. It's meant to be on the wall, this is. It's meant to be like a thing that you put on the wall and you put in, you know, it's meant to have stuff in the pots. But my husband hasn't put it on the wall for me yet because I'm crap at that sort of thing, and I would just make a major hole and it'd be a complete disaster. So I'm just waiting for him to stick that up for me at some point. Anyway, rambling a little bit now. That's everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do like this look, then let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. I'd love to speak to you down there. If you aren't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.